Hey, what's going on everybody? This is Keith and you're watching Barbour's Auto Help. In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the brake lamp bulb / turn signal bulb on my 04 Ford Ranger equipped with a 3.0. Now while this is an 04 Ford Ranger, I'm sure that Ford has used this particular design for many years. I'm not sure exactly what the year swath is on this, but this is going to be applicable to more than just the 2004 Ford Ranger. Let's go ahead and get into it. Okay, so in order to replace the bulb, we have to remove the tail lamp assembly. The tail lamp assembly is held in by 4 screws, 2 on the outside and then 2 on the inside. The 2 on the inside have to be accessed by dropping the tailgate. These screws can be removed by using a Phillips head screwdriver. Remove the 4 screws. Once the 4 screws are removed, you can then remove the tail lamp assembly from the truck bed. The tail lamp assembly is equipped with 2 bulbs, the reverse lamp bulb on the top, and then the brake lamp bulb on the bottom. The brake lamp bulb serves as the brake lamp, turn signal lamp, and tail lamp. This is the bulb we'll be replacing. In order to remove the bulb, you have to twist the socket counterclockwise and pull out. Once the socket is removed from the tail lamp housing, you can then pull the bulb out of the socket. This is a 3157 light bulb. The installation is reverse procedure. Now before you go to put your new bulb in, it would be a good idea to put a little electrical grease inside the socket, then put the bulb in. Once the bulb is installed in the socket, you can then place the socket back into the tail lamp assembly. Seat the socket into the tail lamp assembly and twist the socket clockwise, locking it into place. Place the tail lamp assembly back onto the truck bed, and then install all 4 screws. Once all 4 screws are installed and tightened, you can then check the operation of your turn signal / brake lamps. Don't forget to close your tailgate. Super easy job, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, comment down below. Also, please read the entire description down below this video before you apply any of this knowledge. There may be some things I need to clarify. That's where I do that. Also, please read the disclaimer at the very end. Thanks again. Have a good one.